61 plate Vauxhall Corsa van with 90,000 miles. This one is an ex-United Utilities, so being maintained thoroughly throughout. Will come with a major service. We just had a 12 months MOT with no advisories. This one is just under 2,000 at 1995 plus VAT, and will come with our standard 3-month warranty for peace of mind. It's an absolute bargain at this price. Interior nice and clean, some Corsa mats in. It's got a roof rack on the roof. You can see by the bodywork, it's very straight. No big dings or rust. In the back, clean. To say, this one is a bargain at 1995 plus VAT. This one won't last long. Jump into the front, nice and clean. We can deliver this nationwide. Drop us a call or a message and we'll be happy to help.